Again, welcome to the Muskegon Heritage Museum. This is one of our permanent displays of the Heritage Machine Works. This is a little line shaft machine shaft driven by the coreless valve engine. The engine goes up. The engine's turning this 10-foot diameter wheel. Turns this 50-foot belt. You see this large leather belt goes up to the ceiling. Turns that line shaft. And the line shaft runs the length of the building and down to each machine. And this will be in the first machine. I'll engage and step back and show you our 1910 Boynton and Plummer shaper. It was restored by the Heritage Machine Works. It was donated by Alcoa Howmet of Montague. And it actually works. You can see, if you look close enough, you can see shavings on the table. But it is all made mechanical power feed. You can see a little power feed mechanism there. The power feeds itself. About 1910. Boynton and Plummer. Called a shaper. And of course, every good machine shop's got to have a dirty bench with your book, your machinist handbook. These ones are from the 1910s and 20s. And the old stool and all the old toolboxes. With all the old pictures in them. This is our newest addition to the machine shop. This is our 1880s, 1885 Blather and Company engine lathe. Comes off the line shaft to a counter shaft. Counter shaft to the lathe. We'll engage the stick. And that'll kick the engine and the lathe on. And it has power feed in all directions. Cross-slide and X. This is a punch press, again off the line shaft. The punch press that was used at the curtain roller factory here in town. You can see it uses the press of the line shaft to turn the wheel to punch the It was used to punch out the little end caps for the curtain rollers. And of course, no machine shop would be complete without a drill press. The green one is the 1920s era. Pretty basic plain Jane. Belt driven, of course. We use it to drill holes. And the red one is from the 1880s. This one is actually a rescue from the scrapyard. We saved it from the scrapyard and restored it. This one has all the power feeds on it, so you can pick your power feed rate. And it will power feed through the mechanism on the side here, your big drill. You can see we're drilling about 1.5 inches with that one. I think it's 1 9/16 right now. But that's a drill press there, boys. That's a drill press. That ain't one your Craftsman 3/8 variable right there. And then of course you got a bandsaw and a grinder. This grinder is kind of cool. It has an on-off switch. You can see the line, the belt is still moving, and the wheel is not. So when I take the wrench and run the wheel, that'll engage it, turn it on and off. One pulley is tight and this pulley is loose. Ropes and ladders, of course, that's how you maintain your line shaft. We have a Oliver die filer made in Grand Rapids in around 1906. It runs off the line shaft down to the power and then up through the feed. to show you one thing while I'm here. You can see this pulley right here is hooked to the front shaft, and all this belt does is goes from one shaft to the other. Lights are hard here, but if you can see that pulley, that belt goes from the front shaft to the back. So we end up driving two shafts. We have two shafts, 2" in diameter, 1 15/16 actually, both 30-foot long, and a dozen machine tools, driving off the big steam engine. Come see us.